Crypto traders, what if you could trade gold, Forex, indices, and top US stocks without ever leaving your crypto exchange? BTCC just launched TradeFi, a new feature that bridges traditional finance and crypto. And today I'm showing you how you can trade gold and over 25 traditional instruments using USDT margin on one single platform. None of this is financial advice, always do your own research, but let's dive into this. So this is BTCC, and this is a fantastic crypto exchange, but now they've opened the door because what we can see here is they've launched their TradeFi, which is basically their newest feature designed to connect traditional finance markets with crypto native traders. Instead of needing a Forex broker, a stock broker, or a commodities platform, you can now trade everything directly inside BTCC using USDT. You can find this if you go to Markets and then go to the tab TradeFi right here. It's all on one platform, one margin system, and one wallet. So there's no switching accounts or tabs and no complex currency conversions. Here is the big advantage. With BTCC TradFi, you can trade traditional markets using USDT margin. So here we can see I'm on the S&P 500 and you can see the charts right here. And yes, this is the correct price, which is fantastic. And then all we're going to do is basically buy with USDT, select the quantity in lots, and then we can simply press buy. This means no converting USD to other fiat currencies and no moving funds between platforms. As well as that, there's no juggling between multiple trading systems. Everything is settled in USDT. For crypto native traders, this simplifies everything. You stay in stablecoin, you trade global markets, and you manage risk all from one place. So if we want to trade precious metals, here we can see there is gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and aluminium. Gold trading alone is a massive addition, especially during macro volatility. If we want to trade energy commodities, we can see there's UK oil and US oil as well. But what about global indices? Well, we have Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500, DAX, and FTSE. When it comes to Forex pairs, we've got GBP USD, Euro USD, Australia to USD, and of course New Zealand to USD as well. These are four of the biggest Forex pairs, so definitely take advantage of that. Now for stocks, the door is wide open. There's stocks such as Meta, Tesla, Microsoft, Google, basically all of the top dogs in the stock space. That is a serious cross-market access, all inside one crypto native platform. Now what makes this powerful is the flexibility. You can trade Bitcoin volatility, hedge with gold, rotate into Forex, or even catch stock momentum, all without withdrawing funds or switching brokers. When the market shifts, you shift as well instantly without switching tabs. Now, BTCC TradFi offers industry competitive spreads, flexible coverage of up to 500x on selected instruments, and this gives active traders capital efficiency and flexibility when managing positions. Of course, leverage increases risks, so proper risk management is essential in this. So, in conclusion here, the takeaway is that crypto traders no longer have to stay isolated in one asset class. With BTCC TradFi, you can diversify, you can hedge, you can capitalize on global macro trends, and it's all settled in USDT. This completely changes the game and bridges traditional finance with crypto in a way that actually makes sense for modern traders. So if you want to explore BTCC TradFi and start trading gold, Forex, stocks, and more using USDT margin, check out the links in the description. The future of trading isn't choosing between crypto and traditional finance, it's having access to both all in one place. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.